What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have today the Poco F2 Pro. That's right, I ordered this over a month ago. It took forever to get. I think it came over on a camel. I ordered it up from Gearbest, and I'm going to unbox this. Now, you guys know I'm the Poco King when it comes to the Poco phone. This is the original beast right here, and you know, it's had its run, but now it's time to we're going to compare it to this a little bit, but this is just an unboxing and first impressions of the Poco F2 Pro. So we're going to go ahead and bust this up. You know the procedure. We're going to get the blade out, cut it up, take off the plastic for you guys. And I'm excited about this. It's got a Snapdragon 865, has some really good specs, headphone jack, nice display, Gorilla Glass on the front, Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and on the back. So, and it's got a 6.6 inch display, so real nice display. Android 10, has all the works. From the on paper, this looks like this is a 128 gigabyte version, 6 gigabytes of RAM. You can get the 8 gigabytes of RAM and the 256 if you really want it. That would be nice to get, but I got this one. It only has 6 gigabytes of RAM, but it does have the Snapdragon 865, which is the beast of the streets right now. You don't have to worry about it. POCOPHONE F2 Pro with easy access to Google apps you use most. High-res audio, and then you got the 5G. I don't think I get 5G in the States, but this will be rocking that LTE on T-Mobile. Unlike the POCOPHONE F1 that didn't have LTE in most of the states, this one here will get your LTE. So we will see what's inside here. I believe this is probably a case. You got your SIM card on deck. And then you got your, it looks like a hard case from talking to some other fellas that got this phone, Forbes and Phone Tech at Work. It looks like this does get the hard case right here, which is nice because you get that, you know, good protection on your brand new POCOPHONE F2. So, and it came in this wrapping here from far away, far away, as you could see. And then, folks, as you can see there, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G, 6.67 AMOLED full screen display. It's got that 64 megapixel camera on the back and 4700 milliamp battery. Now, ooh, you saw that, right? You saw the color. I'll tell you in a second. But this is the twin of the Redmi K30 Pro, basically. They basically have a lot of the same specs. Now I got the, let me rip off the plastic here for you guys. I got the white. It's called a Phantom White. Let me get ahead and take this off for you guys. So, you guys ready? You ready? You ready? You ready for the plastic? Here it comes. Here it comes. Yes, sir. Now, like I said, this is the Phantom White. Let me take off this personal stuff on the back, because, oh yeah, we don't need you guys seeing all the personal stuff. Woo-wee! Wow, this is called the Phantom White. Damn. Hold on. Did I say it? Let me say it again. Damn. Babe, check out this color.
Wow. Nice.
That is stellar. Wow. Yeah. Red button on deck. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this camera array here, now you get a 64 megapixel camera, you get the 5 megapixel telephoto macro, sorry, right into the lens, 13 megapixel wide angle, and then you get a 2 megapixel depth. Front facing camera is a pop-up style camera. I will fire this up in a second. You could do 4K on the back, 30, 1080p obviously, 60, 30. Got the motorized camera like I said. Headphone jack on deck, headphone jack on deck right there. SIM card, Type C, fast charging. No wireless charging, no waterproofing. You do get NFC. You get some speakers. Don't believe they are stereo. We're gonna go ahead and fire this up. You get a 4700 milliamp battery, which is pretty good. Hey, what's up, Poco? Poco. Now this comes in, this is the Phantom White, like I said. Damn. It comes in a neon blue, an electric purple, and a cyber gray. If you didn't get the white, you got left out. You got left out. This is a nice color. I'm not gonna lie. I know people that want the white. They sold their purple because they want the white. So that's how beautiful the white is. But this is packing MIUI 11, Android 10 out the box. You get the full screen display, as you can see right there on deck. Very impressive looking display because it's all screen. Now, compared to the Poco, now this POCOPHONE F1 is probably almost 2 years old. September it'll be 2 years old, or August or July, around there. So, but you could see, man, it is night and day. I mean, this was 350 when it first came out. This is around 500, 550, depending on where you get it. $499 from Gearbest, but you'll have to wait a long time to get it, like I did. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, put in my SIM card, get it rolling, get it going. I'll be right back. Wow. All right, so I set it up basically. I'm gonna hit the fingerprint with you guys so you guys can get a little of that sexy fingerprint. Fire this sucker up. Press the screen, lift your finger after you feel vibration. All parts of your fingerprint. I kind of just go all the way like this. I'm hoping this will be better than the Samsung fingerprint, which is absolutely horrible. OnePlus is pretty good, but I don't know. In-display fingerprint readers, I think they should have kept them on the back, like on the Pixel and some other devices, because they work so good that, you know, I just think that it's just better, man. All right, so you can set up your themes here. So you have classic, limitless, road, radiance, gamer, and pedal. What do you think? You like pedal? And they got more there? No. Okay. So we're just gonna go with let's go with I'm gonna go with the classic. Let's just check out the classic. And then setup is complete. MIUI 11. You're ready to rock. It's loading the apps. Now this is the 865 processor, the big boy processor right now, until, you know, Samsung releases another device next March or February, whenever it is. It'll be the 875 and so on and so on. But this is a gorgeous device, very premium feeling. When you compare it to the Poco from a couple years ago, a big difference. I mean, it almost feels like a 3-generation gap. I know this is only basically 2, but this is an insane looking phone right now. If you look at the comparison between the old one and the new one, there's no comparison. This one is absolutely stunner here. We're gonna go ahead and open up that camera so that you guys can see the situation of the motorized action. There you go. So there it is. It makes a little noise. I think you can go in the settings and set that up so that you don't have that, but you could change the lights, all that kind of stuff. But there's the regular camera there. Let's go ahead and take a little photo. Pretty fast. We'll take a little selfie here for the crew. There it is. And yeah, man, It's got all the specs that you need for under 500 bucks or 500 bucks or 550 bucks. You got the triple camera setup in the back, 64 megapixel camera. I mean, real nice. Running MIUI 11, Android 10 out the box. This thing has everything. Headphone jack. Now it doesn't have wireless charging, doesn't have you know, IP rating 68, 69, whatever you want to call it, but big update over the Poco phone, the original, versus this one. But this is a heavy hitter, man. And you're getting the LTE on here. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. As you can see, LTE on deck from T-Mobile, so you got no issues there. I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi back on because I need to have my my apps to download. All right, I wanted to show you guys the rest of the box. I totally was so excited about the phone. It comes with the Type-C cable, obviously. Let's brighten up this video so you guys can take a look, real depth. Let's see. You get your, now this is a European charger, but it does come with the adapter from Gearbest, so they do give you that. So that's cool that you have that as part of the package. And then I wanted to show you guys the case. Where is the case? This case is pretty good. It's a hard plastic, so a little different than those cheapy TPUs that they give you sometimes with some of these phones. So, and you got a good look because you get the hard plastic, so good protection on your phone, on your Poco F2 Pro, that you can, you know, get it going. Ooh, fingerprint's pretty good. But yeah, I want to hit you with the camera again because I'm like that. But that's gonna do it, man. That is the POCOPHONE F2 Pro, and you know I'm gonna be doing a bunch of videos on this phone. You know it. All right. So we're gonna get into it. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get a little more in depth with it, but this was just a unboxing, first impressions. But you guys know where to find me. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Android Stud. Keep it locked right here at Android Stud. I'm out. Phantom White, POCOPHONE F2 Pro.